takes to the top of the leaderboard in the two-wheel skills challenge.
MJ, how good does that feel? You rode that momentum from last night's wicked freestyle into this two-wheel skills challenge. You gotta be riding a good high right now.
Absolutely. I'll hand this over to you. I don't need that at this point in time. Hey, last night didn't go my way. I had to come out and throw down an amazing freestyle last night. I'm riding that energy all the way to today. I always call it Sunday Fun Day. I told y'all I'm gonna give you guys everything I got for this last night, and I'm giving you a taste right there. You thought that was cool? Just wait till freestyle, baby. That 12,000-pound bull is gonna be flying in the air. I told you again, venimos a darle y a darle con todo. Y así lo vamos a dar. Hey, Cleveland, welcome up. We just getting started. We got some fun.
MJ
A big congratulations to our two competition winners here. Two competitions underway means it's time for Monster Jam halftime. We want to encourage you to use this time, get up, stretch your legs, head to maybe grab a